Everyone, welcome back to my channel at Kiswahili with Nancy Grace, your one-stop shop to learn all about Swahili, how to speak it, how to communicate with another person, how to ask questions, everything to do with Kiswahili. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification button, leave a comment, leave a like, share, and we'll learn together. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about phrases to utilize in the Swahili language. These are phrases that you're going to have to utilize in your day-to-day language when communicating with other people. Let's begin. 1. Niamini. Niamini. Trust me. 2. Niambie ukweli. Niambie ukweli. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. 3. Usinidanganye. Usinidanganye. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. 4. Ninakuahidi. Ninakuahidi. I promise you. I promise you. 5. Kaa nami. Kaa nami. Stay with me. Stay with me. 6. Acha iende. Acha iende. Let it go. Let it go. Acha iende. Let it go. Don't forget, in today's lesson, it is phrases to utilize. So, utilize these phrases. Fikiria kwa makini. Fikiria kwa makini. Think carefully. Think carefully. 8. Niambie mbona. Niambie mbona. Tell me why. Tell me why. 9. Ifanye kwa ajili yangu. Ifanye kwa ajili yangu. Do it for me. Do it for me. 10. Nisamehe. Nisamehe. Forgive me. Forgive me. 11. Samahani. Samahani. Excuse me. Excuse me. 12. Nina wazo. Nina wazo. I have an idea. I have an idea. Nina wazo. I have an idea. 13. Ninahitaji pesa. Ninahitaji pesa. I need money. I need money. Ninahitaji pesa. Ninahitaji kazi. Ninahitaji kazi. I need a job. I need a job. 15. Ninahitaji kulala. Ninahitaji kulala. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. 16. Ninahitaji marafiki. Ninahitaji marafiki. I need friends. I need friends. 17. Ninahitaji kupumzika. Ninahitaji kupumzika. I need to rest. 18. Ninahitaji muda zaidi. Ninahitaji muda zaidi. I need more time. I need more time. 19. Ninahitaji kahawa. Ninahitaji kahawa. I need coffee. 20. Sitaki kwenda. Sitaki kwenda. I don't want to go. Sitaki kwenda. I don't want to go. Sote tunajua. Sote tunajua. We all know. We all know. 22. Huu si muda wetu. Huu si muda wetu. This is not our time. This is not our time. 23. Ni wakati wa kusema kwa heri. Ni wakati wa kusema kwa heri. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. 24. Hadi tukutane tena. Hadi tukutane tena. Till we meet again. Till we meet again. 25. Huu sio mwisho. Huu sio mwisho. This is not the end. This is not the end. 26. Siku yaja. Siku yaja. A day is coming. Siku yaja. A day is coming. Njoo karibu. Njoo karibu. Come closer. Njoo karibu. Come closer. 28. Ni nzuri. Ni nzuri. It's nice. It's nice. 29. Nilitaka kuogelea. Nilitaka kuogelea. I wanted to swim. I wanted to swim. 30. Nilichukua barua. Nilichukua barua. I took the letter. I took the letter. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. Number 30 marks the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something and keep it locked.